Hey, what's up? It's time again for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm here at the house. What we're planning on doing is giving away one of these. This is mine that I use. It's a blue parrot VXI. I love this thing. I use it every day. We got a brand spanking new one for you guys right here. See? In a box. And what you're going to have to do is put in the description below headset. And like, share, and comment this video. We'll be doing the giveaway March 29th. And whoever wins it, I'll be shipping it to them. And those are my wife's Nightmare Before Christmas stuff. She's addicted to it. But we're going to be getting ready to, thanks for 1,000 subscribers. But this here's the box of what we're that I took it out of the box so you guys can see it. It's a very good headset. They retail price at $149 at the truck stops. But I was going to have a knife made, but the knife was going to take 6 to 8 weeks for it to come in. So we decided to go this route instead. And we appreciate everything that you guys have, all the support you guys have given us and keeping this channel growing. So if you can, like, share, subscribe, comment below headset right down there. And we'll get this out to you guys on the 29th with a live feed. And I'll put a community thing up because I can do community stuff now. So thanks. Talk to you guys later. And I will show you a up close video of it real quick, but thanks. All right, well, this is what we're going to give for the giveaway. I just took it out of the box here. It's a blue parrot B450 XT. It's got the industry's best noise canceling, 96%, 300-foot wireless range, the most comfortable Bluetooth parrot yet, programmable Bluetooth button, and 24 hours of talk time. My dog's playing with a toy. But you guys see it's brand spanking new here. It's got the extra little cushion things that go on the on the headset. There's a little plug in here for your cigarette lighter. There's the cables, and then here's the actual headset itself. So that's what we're giving away for our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It's valued at truck stops are now selling them for, I think, $149. But we're gonna ship this out to you, whoever wins. What you're gonna have to do is put headset in the description below and like the video, share it with your friends, and you got to be a subscriber to the channel. Anybody in the lower or the continental 48 states is eligible to win. I'm not going to take and delete if my son sends a message and says he wants to take and win it. So it's eligible for anybody. The last couple ones I deleted my kids' stuff. So if family wants to take and get into this giveaway, it's like I said, it's a $150 headset. It's something that you got to have if you're a truck driver. Bluetooth 4.0. But we'll ship that out. We're going to do the drawing on the 29th of March is when we're going to do it. Thank you.